Konkan Railway has been pioneer in operation of roll-on roll-off service, that is RoRo, and we have been into this service since 1999, wherein we have carried so many in lakhs of numbers of trucks over Konkan Railway route. And this service first time we are launching for carrying cars on our RoRo train. In this RoRo train for cars, it will be of 20 wagons, wherein 2 cars will be placed on each wagon. So at a time we can carry around 40 cars. So this service will be operated between Kolad and Verna. Kolad is in Maharashtra, short of Roha. It's near Mumbai actually. So this service will be started from Kolad from 23rd of August, and from Verna on 24th of August. And these trains carrying cars, it will run on a fixed timing. Like evening it will leave from Kolad at 5 o'clock evening, and next day morning, early morning 5 o'clock it will reach Verna. Likewise from Verna it will start at 5 o'clock and reach Kolad at morning 5 o'clock next day. Besides these 20 wagons, we'll be attaching some coaches for the car owners or the passengers of the family, wherein they can travel in along with their car, but they'll be sitting in the coach attached to this train. And the charges for this RoRo service would be rupees 7,875, which is inclusive of GST. So if anyone wants to book a car on this RoRo train, he has to register first. Initial registration charges are 4,000, which will be adjusted in the freight, that is 7,875. So balance 3,875 he has to pay while booking, that is on the day of journey. Then for passengers traveling along with the car, we will be charging around 935 for 3 AC coach and 190 for a second sitting coach. So then booking has commenced already for this train since yesterday, and it will be valid till 13th of August. And these trains will be, some are weekly, some are bi-weekly, and some are running daily. And booking has already commenced for these trains. I request the devotees who wish to visit Goa or Konkan belt to book in advance so as to get a confirmed seat on these trains.